Alright, today I'm about to do something wild. Have my first KFC in Bangkok. There we go. Please, do not prejudge me. I'm just a simple man trying to enjoy some chicken. Let's see what we got going on. I just bought let's see what I got. Just picked it up for delivery from Grab. Shout out to Grab. And this is what you get. You get fries, 2-piece, extra pieces, and a custard egg tart. And of course, I got 2 extra custard egg tarts, because why not? Yes, a lot of big back activity going on here tonight. So let's take a first bite of that egg custard. I don't really eat McDonald's state or KFC stateside because food quality is meh. But overseas, it's known for having more a natural food quality for pretty much almost all things, less chemicals and ingredients. I'm sure every chain has its own stuff going on in country, but overall overseas, I do have, like, not to give out too much information, it's a little bit of, I guess, IBS. So I just can't be eating any and anything, or else I'll just feel completely horrible. But I've traveled a little bit. Whenever I eat overseas fast food or food overseas in general, my stomach just doesn't, go all crazy compared to when I get back to the States and I eat something simple and it's just, yeah, I'm over. All right, here we go. First bite. Crunchy, flaky. Sweet. I can eat 10 of these. Oh yeah. Big back activities. I'm here for it. Some of this fries. Thailand hits. Thailand KFC hits. I like it.